How to find your phone number on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then you'll find Wi-Fi and Network. Click on Wi-Fi and Network. Then click on SIM and Network. In here, you'll find your phone number clicking on SIM 1. If this does not work, you can simply go to your phone dial pad and dial the number 123 for Ansel. And if you don't have the SIM, you can simply go to Google and search for your specific SIM number to search for your number. And that's how you find phone number on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.